welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing video of March edition of the Glamigo box. So Glamigo is India's #1 affordable beauty subscription box where you get some full size products as well as some sample size products, and I feel that sample size products are so helpful to make you decide whether go for the full size one or not, and Glamigo helps you to make the decision whether to invest on the full size or not, and you can take the subscription of this box for a month or 6 months or a whole year plan. So this is how the March edition look like. I love the packaging as well as the lavender color looks so awesome. These days I'm more into pastel, so lavender is one of my favorite. So in the box you will get products worth ₹1350, but the box itself retails for ₹399 only. Now let's open the box and see what are the products waiting inside. So once you open the box you will get a card full of details and the products. So the first product in the box I can see is this one, Bliss of Earth Mineral Rich and Natural Moroccan Red Clay Mask. It helps to deep cleansing, exfoliating and detoxifying, and this is in powder form, so you can mix water or rose water to it to make a paste and apply it all over your face as a face mask, or you can take some powder and mix it with your regular cleanser and make a scrub from and apply it all over your face to detoxify it. So this one is so helpful. I'm so excited to try this one. And this exclusive Moroccan Red Clay Mask to detoxify your skin retails for ₹499. You will get a full size of product ₹499 in the box of ₹399. So it's a great deal, guys. So the second product is the most awaited product of the year, and that is Bella Voste Chubby Stick. This one is again retails for ₹499 and you will getting a full size of product. So this one is shade 05 Violet edition, and the inner packaging look like this and the color look like this. I really love the shade as well as the texture of this lipstick. The third product inside the box is Jovis new signature kajal. This is deepest black and smudge free, and this claims that it gonna stays up to 12 hours. So this one is retails for $190, and if you're a kajal lover like me, so this one you definitely gonna love it. So Jovis use all of the natural ingredients to make this kajal, so I'm definitely gonna try this because I love kajals more. So yeah. So the last product in this box is Peroni Radiance Day Cream, and this one is a sample size product. This one worth ₹160. And Peroni is a new launch in Glamigo, so they are sending the sample size to try it out, and this smells so good. I'm just excited to try this product, whether it suits me or not. Let's see. So these all are the products they have sent in their March editions, and if you want to purchase the box, the link and the details of this Glamigo site will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet to subscribe, you'll get a subscribe button down below. Press that, and also the bell icon which is next to it, so that you will get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So this is all about today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.